Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the autoplay and ad and the content recommendation down here on the bottom on your LG TV. So you don't want to see anything down here for the LG channels or anything like that. Let's go to settings right here in the top left. And then let's go to settings here. And wait for this to load, and let's go to general. Then go on down to system. Then let's go to additional settings. Then let's go to home settings. Then here we have these options. So if we go to power on screen, if you want to completely turn off and bypass the home screen, you can go to recent input and you can launch right into your cable box. So that's a nice feature to have on. And then we got home promotion. If we turn this on, you can see it's like the auto playing TV ad in the background. We can turn it off, it'll go away. Then we got the content recommendation down here at the bottom. The free LG channels, some of these might be cool, but I typically don't watch TV, so I just turn this off. I just typically watch YouTube. So you may be like me, just turn that off. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.